Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Dodge Dart guys and your car is overheating, we're going to share with you guys today the top 7 reasons guys why your car is overheating. We're talking about Dodge Dart. We'll be working here on a 2.4 engine guys, Multiair, but if you have the 1.4 or 2.0, most of that thing will apply to it as well guys, because the cooling system is about the same on all vehicles. So make sure you stay with us until the end guys. Top 7 reasons, and you just hope the last 2 reasons guys are actually guys not your problem, because you will need quite a bit of money and quite a bit of work to fix it. Now this engine is completely apart. Why? Because we will have more than 100 videos on that engine alone. We want to show you how to fix everything guys with great detail, show you where every bolt is located so you can get the idea. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on that car guys. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys and like the video. Let's show you guys now what we're talking about here. Top 7 reasons for your engine to overheat on Dodge Dart now guys. So we start with reason number 1 guys. We're going to start with the most common ones and go to the least common ones, and the one that will be more more actually expensive to fix. So number 1 guys, number 1, you could be low on coolant. This is your coolant reservoir right here. You have minimum and maximum, and your coolant level when it's cold, it should be between both of those, close to the maximum. If you guys not have enough coolant in your engine, what's going to happen? It's going to overheat guys, especially in hot climate or city driving. Now bad water pump, leaking pipe or gasket somewhere guys can cause your coolant to gradually disappear, leak a little bit, maybe drop by drop, and you don't notice it. So always keep eye on your coolant guys. Check that. That's reason number 1. What about guys reason number 2? The most common one, thermostat guys. This is your thermostat right here. Now this is out of another Dodge, but the thermostat on the 2.4 engine guys, it's right here. It's on the cylinder head. We have a video guys that explains how to replace that one as well. So bad thermostat guys will be stuck open or stuck closed and can make your car overheat. Thermostats usually are rated guys to work at certain temperatures, and if they fail, your car will overheat. Like this one is rated at 95 degrees Celsius. Nowadays cars, they run usually hotter, because that way they release less emissions in the atmosphere. So this is reason number 2. Reason number 3 guys, let's say guys you replaced water pump or thermostat or radiator or something, and you did not bleed your cooling system the correct way. Your engine may overheat because you have air pockets inside the engine. So check out the video how to bleed the coolant out of your engine. That's very important guys. Reason number 3. Reason number 4 guys, bad radiator cap, or also known as the coolant reservoir cap. You can see it's rated at certain pressure, 21 psi, and if that cap goes bad guys, what will happen? It can either create too much pressure in the system, or the system may be running open all the time, and as a result the car can overheat. Reason number 4. What about guys reason number 5? Reason number 5, we're talking about bad radiator fan. This is the fan itself here, and if the fan doesn't work, your car will almost immediately overheat in hot climate or city driving guys. On the highway it may not, but when you slow down or it's too hot or climbing a hill, it will overheat. There is probably 4 reasons I can think of a fan not working. 1 is the motor, 2nd guys is the fan control module, 3rd is fuse, 4 is relay. Now the fuses and the relays guys are located right there. Let me show you now in that fuse box, and we'll have each of those fuses guys. We'll explain what each of them means on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please subscribe guys, check it out. We'll have quite a few videos on Dodge Dart there coming as well. And now we go guys to the next reason. Next reason will be water pump. Now let me show you guys the engine put together, what it looks like. That's your water pump. It's belt driven water pump, and if the belt falls off the pump, your pump will not be turning, your engine will overheat. Another thing that could happen is leaking a water pump, or a water pump it has a plastic fan on the inside that actually creates turbulence, and it moves the coolant, and if that fan falls off, breaks, what will happen actually? You're not going to get any circulation and the car will overheat. And The last reason, guys, I'm going to put 3 factors under one because all of them have the same symptoms. Bad cylinder head gasket. This is your cylinder head gasket, that's what it looks like. It's between the cylinder block and the cylinder head. And if the gasket is bad, guys, you're going to pump compression, okay, in your coolant, hot gases, you increase the pressure of the cooling system, your car will overheat. That's very common, guys, if you overheated your car, to have a bad head gasket. Now, if you have a cracked cylinder head or cracked engine block, the same symptoms will apply as well as bad head gasket. So it's really hard to tell without testing things sometimes. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.